Well, greetings to all my friends. Here's what I have for you today. As centers continue to move over to one of the best tools for web building, more and more centers are developing WordPress sites for either their center site or donor site. And this is great. In fact, it's the best move you could have made. But there are some things you need to know about. WordPress, while it is the very best tool to use to build a site, and while it is the most popular tool in use, about 28 million websites that we know about today, and it's all because it is an open source tool. But this also means that it is one of the most targeted tools out there. Targeted for being hacked, targeted for being DDoS attacked, denial of service attacks, or brute force attacks. Thus, there are several things you need to do to keep your WordPress safe. Number one, you need to change the admin username to something a hacker can't guess or find out. Instead of news admin on a media site, so I created the user spelling it N-U-E-A-D-M-E-N, new admin, same thing, news admin, new admin, and I guarantee at 100% strength it would rarely be guessed. You also need a strong password. It needs to be a 100% strong name consisting of capitals, numbers, signs like exclamation point, dot, dash, the star, and other keyboard symbols. An example would be, instead of writing a password like pass for life or my password, which fails at less than 80% strength, type it as exclamation point, capital P, little ass, dot, for, dot, all caps, life, exclamation point, which is 100% strong. Your database prefix should also be changed from WP to something else. Like for a site called SiteKeeper, I use the DB prefix SKP _. So, these are some key points about what you need to do, but a fourth key point is that you need to keep your site updated. And what this means is that you have to keep the version of WordPress updated, you have to keep all the plugins updated, and you have to keep your theme updated. And this is where our service comes in. If you have a WordPress site, let site-keeper.com come to your rescue. If what I have described to you is all Greek to you, then let me into your website so that I can harden your WordPress to keep the hackers out. We call the service Managed WordPress Support, and if you have a WordPress site, sign up for only $19.95 a month for unlimited updates, daily monitoring, and full security checks to make your site fully protected. By the way, if you're hosting your WordPress on GoDaddy, Bluehost, HostGator, or JustHost, you should consider allowing us to migrate your site away from that dangerous shared hosting to our dedicated SSD WordPress optimized server up on the cloud, where you will be not only on the fastest hosting available, but you will be with only other pregnancy centers. So here's what I want you to do. If you have a WordPress site, call me at 214-736-4093 and ask about Managed WordPress Support for your website. You'll be glad you did. Now keep up the good work you're doing. You are making a difference, and the other side just can't stand it.